Phaahla uthi kusasene kuphikisana lokuchubekako ngekuthi ingabe lelive lingene esigabeni selihlandla lesihlanu nobe cha.
The question now on the top of our minds is whether, and as it's been debated in a number of media platforms, is whether indeed this fifth wave has commenced. Just amongst those who have been commenting on this, it's Professor Salim Abdul Karim, the previous chair of the Ministerial Advisory Committee, who issues a weekly email report in terms of his observation. And in this week, Tuesday, in his analysis, he argues that from a technical definition of more than 5 cases on a daily basis per 100,000 of population, with that as a criteria, he believes that we have entered the fifth wave.
Indvuna yetemphilo itsi nalihlasela ngemandla leligciwane livame ukuthi aselivela ngalolunye lihlobo nanobe kunjalo alikho ligciwane lelisha lelitfolakele kwanyalo.
But at this stage, we have not been alerted to a definite new variant except changes in the Omicron, which is now just a subvariant of the Omicron. So our scientists have been saying to us that a new wave will be driven by a new variant, which will be more transmissible and which will escape immunity.
Professor Musa Mashobela weNyuvesi yaKwaZulu-Natal uthi ngalesikhathi kusenenkulumo mpikiswano ngalokuhlasela ngemandla ihlandla lesihlanu kwaleligciwane bantu kufanele bachubeke bacaphele bativikele kulomkhuhlane njengoba ucubuka ngemandla kwecala solo kwahociswa isikhathi senhlekelele kulelive. Kusenjalo Indvuna yetemphilo Phaahla uthi iCovid-19 iseyingoti kakhulu. Ucela ukuthi bonke abantu labangakagomba gome njengoba abantu labakhulile bangaphasi kwamaphesenti langemashumi 5 labagome kanye.